Okay, so let's say we want to build something like a chameleon, all right? A complex multicellular organism. How do you go about building that? Well, this topic is all about levels of organization, building up the complexity you find in living things. So let's start right at the smallest. Now, you probably have heard that cells are the building blocks of life, and that's true, but actually there's things inside cells that are even smaller that have a role to play, and these are called organelles. And each little organelle has a particular job to do within that cell, and that gives the cell its function. And when you learn about the cells topic, you'll learn about all the different types of organelles you find in animal and plant cells. This is a picture of a leaf here, a microscopic picture, and you can see the little sort of circular areas which are all the cells, and inside there's organelles such as the nucleus and chloroplasts. Once you've got cells, you can start to group them together. And they're usually grouped together based on a similar function. So you group them all together to do a particular job, and they work together, and that's what we call a tissue. Muscle is an example of a tissue. It's made up of many muscle cells, and they all work together to carry out the function of contraction. So to repeat, a tissue is a group of similar cells working together to carry out a particular function. Then once you've got tissues, you can start to group them together to build an organ. Some of the most well-known human organs include the brain, the heart, the liver, kidney, skin, and organs in plants include the leaf and the stem. So an organ is a group of tissues that work together to carry out a specific function. Once you've got organs, you can start to group them together to form what we call organ systems. Now in humans, you will learn about the 7 major organ systems in the GCSE course. You'll learn about the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, the nervous system, the endocrine system, and the reproductive system. So if we were to build up from smallest to largest, you would start off with the organelles. You'd then use those to build cells, cells build tissues, tissues get to organs, organs go to organ systems, and then you can build an organism just like that chameleon.